at this time, and I was a little taken back when Armand, our salutatorian, said that, please forgive me for, being irritable. I have little kids. If Armand was irritable, I don't have a shot at this, because he's about as kind as they come. But our valedictorian, I know Ms. Patella is not in the audience, we've been calculating valedictorian scores for, forever now, and we've never seen a 5.8 plus on a GPA. I mean, in order to get a 5.8, you have to take the highest classes. There's no bad marking period, there's no bad class, it's just excelling at the very best from freshman year all the way through. And I'm so proud to announce our valedictorian, who does it in and out of the classroom, tremendous service to our community, and so proud that he is representing Old Bridge High School's class of 2022. The valedictorian, Rishabh Jain.
Good morning, class of 2022. Knights, how are we feeling? We're back, and real quick, I want to capture this moment with the iconic selfie with everyone. Alright, thank you. So my name is Rishabh Jain, and on behalf of all the students in front of me in the audience, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our beloved educators, administrators, board members, counselors, family, and all those seen and unseen that have been part of our journey. And they've been a part of the community that has raised us since day one. I want to give a special shout out to my mom and dad, my grandparents, and my brother, who are somewhere out there, I'm not sure. And it's an honor, really, to be here in front of you all. This stage itself, it holds a special importance to me, as much of my family has walked it, and my uncle has even spoken on it as I am today. Oh, and the fact that Bruce Springsteen has performed here? Come on. However, we cannot forget those who are not present with us today either, including the late Mrs. Penny. Those who have left us will forever be remembered, and their impact will be remembered, and we owe it to them to persevere. Now, when I was writing this for this speech, I consulted the most trusted source, YouTube, of course, and I saw one person rapping, and another person solving a Rubik's Cube while speaking. And while I have a Rubik's Cube here in front of me, I'll be honest, I don't know how to solve it. I can only solve like two sides of it, and let's completely forget I said anything about the rapping. But let's take a look back first. Who remembers those scholastic book fairs, the gym scooter racing, and that weird obsession with silly bands? What was that about? I remember, iconically, the Fairview Lake trip, and my parents made me double plastic bag my phone just in case. We've lived through some iconic dances, the Harlem Shake, Gangnam Style, and now the Gritty, and I know at least one of you out there were trying to do that to get a diploma.
A few moments later.
I say right foot creep, oh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you.
But we've also lived through some infamous bar debates, like Yanny or Goro, are there more doors or wheels? And dare I mention what color that dress was? And we've also lived through NJ Ask, Park, SATs, APs, and like 10 other acronyms. But these last few years, we've truly been through the loss, the bringer of loss, struggle, and hardship, and especially virtual 7 a.m. classes. And we came out on top. We came together as one Knight family. We came out of that roller coaster, resolve intact, as state champs, GMC victors, silver medalists, academic superstars, and dedicated leaders. We've raised hundreds of thousands of dollars for charities, small and big, donated thousands of pounds of food, and collectively, We volunteered tens of thousands of hours of our time to helping others. We've had an impact locally and even internationally. And if I had to list all of our class's achievements in their entirety, I would never reach the rest of my speech. Senior year itself, now that has been special. I mean, we got a new Batman, and the Mexican pizza is back. What more could I ask for? But in all seriousness, every event, our class advisors and clubs that they've put together, whether it be the musical, the lip dub, bingo nights, all of them have been world class. They make me proud to be a knight. Today is about celebrating one milestone of many in our journey. To my fellow students, on your left and right, are future engineers, doctors, lawyers, police officers, scientists, teachers, plumbers, accountants, chefs, and of course, can't forget the full-time Netflix watchers, myself included. But as we move forward to the next chapter of our lives, there is plenty of uncertainty about our career paths, and for me especially, the process of adulting. Like, what are taxes? And what happened? Where'd my 3 months of summer vacation go? And why does my cooking not even compare to my mom's? Like, come on. I know that even if we are not ready for what we face, we will still tackle it head on. But I plead with you all to stay in the moment. Focus on what's right in front of you. Not what's for lunch after this. What's right in front of you, this special moment that's ours. Seriously though, don't be in a rush to move on and treasure every moment. Because it's surreal to think about how this is the last time we're all together. And finally, if you haven't been listening, I don't blame you, now is the perfect time to zone back in. If there's one thing I want to leave with all of you, adults included, it's a quote by the Dalai Lama. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday, and the other is called tomorrow. Today is the right day to love, believe, and mostly live. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Old Ridge class of 2022.